we'll guide you through how to choose between Wix and Squarespace for your website needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and explore their templates by clicking on Templates in the top menu. Wix offers a wide variety of templates that are highly customizable, so if you want a lot of flexibility and creativity in design, this might be the option for you. You can also use the Wix ADI, which is an artificial design intelligence to build your site quickly with a few questions about your site's purpose. Next, check out the Squarespace website and click on the Templates section to view their collection. Squarespace is known for its sleek and professional templates, which are a bit more structured than Wix, making it a great choice if you want something easy to set up with a clean design. Now, consider the features and integrations you need. Wix offers a robust app market that allows you to add extra functionality to your site, such as booking systems or e-commerce features. Squarespace, on the other hand, has strong built-in features for e-commerce, blogging, and scheduling, which might reduce the need for additional apps. Think about your technical comfort level too. Wix's drag-and-drop interface allows for more freedom, but it might require a bit more time to master. Squarespace's more rigid grid system is easier to use for beginners but offers less customization. Finally, consider your budget. Wix offers a free plan with Wix-branded ads, while Squarespace offers a 14-day free trial, but no free tier. Both platforms have various pricing plans, so decide which features are essential for you and compare the costs. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific needs, design preferences, and budget. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.